They said work 40 years and retire at 65. But what if AI could help you start earning while you sleep? In this video, I'm revealing 5 websites using AI that can help you make real passive income in 2025. No fancy skills needed. And trust me, the last one, it's a complete game changer. Let's go. Use Notion AI to create planners, journals, or ebooks in minutes. Then sell them on Gumroad. No inventory, no experience needed. You create once, earn forever. Yes, someone out there is making money while Netflix is on autoplay. Why not you? Turn simple scripts into faceless videos with Pictory.ai. Upload them to YouTube. Add monetization. Repeat. People are making thousands monthly without showing their face. If AI can speak for you, what's stopping you? Write articles using ChatGPT and post them on Medium. They pay based on views, even without an audience. You hated essays in school, now they can make you money. Poetic justice, right? List services like logo design, email writing, or name generation on Fiverr. Use tools like Midjourney or Copy AI to deliver fast and smart. Not fully passive, but scalable. Once you rank, money flows on autopilot. Use AI to build an online course. Script, slides, and narration. Host it on Teachable. Let students enroll forever. One-time effort, long-term income. If people pay to learn AI, why not get paid to teach it? Now you've got the tools. But here's the secret. Passive income grows with time. So if you're serious about wealth, tap the next video on your screen. The power of compounding. And see how $10 a day can become $100,000. Start small. Start now. See you in the next one.